Hello everyone, welcome to FHEA University. So this is our new lab and I am Thomas John, lecturer in electrical engineering, working in the engineering department in FHEA University. So this is our new electrical machines lab, which is bought from a company called Lucas Nule, which is one of the popular provider for the training equipment, and this equipment has been sourced from this popular company, and this is one of the most widely used lab in the UK in different universities. So to introduce myself, I am Thomas John, a lecturer. I have joined FHEA 3 years back. So in engineering we have totally 6 staff, including professors, senior lecturers, then 2 lab technicians and 3 PhD students. Also we have undergraduate programs like bachelors in electrical and electronics engineering and bachelors in mechanical engineering. So we sit under the whole computer science department, and today I would like you to show a small demo of my electrical machines lab. So this is a lab equipment which you can see here, and this is the DC motor which is commonly available. So what is the purpose of this lab experiment? So as you know, motors are commonly used in households and industries. There are a lot of applications for motors. You can use motors in household appliances, in paper mills, in electric vehicles, and so many things. So if you study about electrical engineering, then electrical motors, you will find so many opportunities to explore about this in your future career when you go to work in industries and factories. So here I want to explain the basic operation principle of a DC motor and how to control its speed. So as you can see, this is the apparatus we use here. You can control this motor using this PC. Okay. So the students need to understand the equipment first. Then the students can give the connections like this. So it is very easy to use and very convenient. So from the PC you can understand the different wirings to be given. So here I have already connected the wirings. Now I am going to run this motor. So you can see that the motor has started running. So here the purpose of this experiment is to control the speed of this motor. So the basic idea is, when I change the voltage applied to this motor, say from 118 volts to, say, I increase it to say 120 volts, what can you say about the speed of the motor? So I can check the speed of the motor on this panel. So here I can see the speed of the motor is now 1156 RPM. So by varying the voltage, I can check the variation of the speed. So when I increase the voltage, you can see that the speed of the motor is increasing. So this shows that the voltage applied to the motor is directly proportional to the speed of the motor. So in this way you can control the speed of this DC motor. So speed control is very essential concept, and it can be applied in controlling the speed of conveyor belts or rolling mills in various industries. So this is one of the basic experiments we give to the second year students of electrical and electronic engineering. Also, as you can see here, when I decrease the voltage, you can see that the speed of the motor has decreased now. So this shows that the speed is always directly proportional to the applied voltage. Now if you want to see the variation of the speed versus voltage, you can go to the tabulation as shown here, and also you can plot it like this. So if you see here, so you can note down the readings of voltage and speed. So as you can see in the table, this first column shows the voltage, second column shows the RPM, revolutions per minute. Now when you note down the readings like this, you can plot it like this. So you can see here on the x-axis you have the voltage, and on the y-axis you have the speed. Now you can see that you get a straight line when you plot the speed versus the voltage. So this shows that speed is directly proportional to the applied voltage. So by this way you can understand the motor principle. Next, there are some other questions to check your understanding. How the speed changes when the armature voltage changes. So you can click here and find out whether it is right or not. Then you can check the answers. So similarly, you can understand the connections, the operation and the working of a DC motor like this. So similarly, we have several equipments like transformers, then batteries, solar panels and transformers, which we use to do different kinds of experiments. So you are free to come here and explore on open days the new lab, and if you have any queries, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to answer. So I welcome you to come and explore this new lab and the new facilities on our open days, and I hope that you will be glad to study electrical and electronics engineering in our young and vibrant engineering department in Exeter University, located near Liverpool in UK. Thank you.